Hi friends, welcome to Roll Your Mat. Today I'm going to share about downward facing dog. This pose requires strength and flexibility at the same time. Strength in arm, core, quads, while flexibility on your upper back, hamstring, calf, and feet. Let's get started. Set up in plank, shoulders above your wrists, feet hip width. Inhale, exhale, send your hips back and up. Spread your fingers wide. Press all corners of your palm onto the mat firmly. Turn your inner forearm slightly forward, allowing space between your shoulders and your ears. Notice your back here. Is it lengthened or rounded? You may bend your knee here and observe if you feel more ease on your back. Take one breath here, and on your next exhale, slowly place your knee down and return to child pose. In downward facing dog, notice the movement of shoulder joint on the arm. This is rotate internally. Rotate internally. As you notice here, rotate internally will tense up your shoulders and not good for long run. However, rotate your arms externally will help to keep your shoulder in a more relaxed position. That's why we can hold in downward facing dog and still breathe deeply. Now let us inhale deeply. Exhale, move into downward facing dog. Inner forearm forward, back straight. Turn your inner thigh backward. Spread your sitting bone. Your heel can be up or down. Long, deep breaths here. On your next exhale, place your knees down and take your time to child pose. Option 1. If you feel tightness on your leg or if your back is rounded. That may be due to the tightness of legs at hamstring or calf compromising the spine length. Bend your knees and raise your heels to keep your back straight. You can also add blocks to elevate your hands to keep your back straight. This is another way to practice that can help you to open up your hamstring while keeping your spine straight. Palms facing each other will help to rotate your arms externally. Option 2. If you want to progress into downward facing dog. In all fours, hold a block with your lower belly and your thigh. Inhale deeply. Exhale, send your hips back and up. Hold the blocks firmly. Inner forearm forward, inner thigh backward. Even out your breath. Take long deep breath here. On your next exhale, slowly place your knees down and take yourself to child pose. Focus on your breathing in downward facing dog. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Exhale 3, 2, 1. You will find yourself more and more comfortable in downward facing dog. Thank you yourself for practice today. See you in the next Roll Your Mat video. Bye!